Darlene, and welcome to Super at 60. Today I went shopping. Yes, I went to Aldi and I did some grocery shopping. As we get closer and closer to the holiday season, I really need to start thinking ahead of my menu. Not necessarily Christmas Day, because I kind of know what I need for that. But for the meals leading up to that, we're going to have company for about 2 weeks. My son and his whole family are coming, and I'm so excited. But I really need to start mapping out a plan, a meal plan, what we're gonna have for this meal, that meal, and lunches and breakfasts and all that stuff. I just wanna make sure that I have it in the house so I'm not constantly running to the grocery store. But I don't know how some of that can be avoided, but I'm gonna try and dwindle it down as best as I can. So let's go ahead, I'll take you over to my kitchen table, and I'll show you what I bought today. I really thought I was going to need a whole lot more room to show you the groceries, get them all out for you today, just because of the price of the groceries. Ka-ching! Yeah, so, but no, just my little dining room table, or my little kitchen table here, and a few things up here on the counter. I feel like I left a bag in the car or something, but I didn't. All right, back there, I did buy 2 gallons of milk. We are out, O-U-T. I mean, there's not even a drop left, so I really did need that. Here's where the painful grocery price begins here with this 1 dozen of white eggs. They're not organic, they're nothing like that. They're just plain old eggs. They used to be like 99 cents, 89 cents, and they went up a little bit and up a little bit. Now they're $3. Today at my Aldi, those little stinkers right there are $3. I'm not happy. I'm not happy about that. I can't remember a time ever where I only bought 1 dozen eggs. We eat a lot of eggs. I use a lot of eggs in my home. And to buy 1 dozen eggs, that means, something is really, really not right here. All right, well, let's go down here to the cheeses. I usually buy a ton of cheeses. We go through a lot of cheese. We enjoy a lot of cheese. I cook with a lot of cheese, so I did get 2 mozzarella because I will be making a little pizza coming up. What was this? $2.99. They used to be $1.69. Seriously? No, I'm sorry, $1.99. But they were $1.69. At one point, I remember they were making $1.49. So, yeah, my bad there. All right, a little sour cream. 2 things of sour cream. Honestly, I don't remember the price on these. I don't think it was too bad. Maybe 89 cents or something. That seems to run about the same as usual. Oh, I was so happy to see butternut squash. I love butternut squash. 89 cents a pound. I didn't exactly see what the total on that was. It's not too heavy, but I'm sure it's over a pound. Bag of onions. These were on sale for, there was a big box of them for $1.29. So I bought another bag. I really don't need onions. I have fresh onions, but I bought these because I'm going to get my dehydrator out. There is nothing better than dehydrated onions. And so I'll do a couple racks of that, and I'll be happy with those. Lunch meat. We needed some lunch meat, and I just bought the least expensive, although I will say we really do like this brand a lot. Some of the meats in this brand are like the turkey, and some of the hams are $5.49, but for some reason the chicken has been holding at about $3.59. Same with the ham here. I'm the only one that eats ham. Lou will eat it occasionally, but he really likes the chicken. But he really prefers the turkey, but I'm too cheap to buy it. So, hey, this is turkey time of year, and I have a huge turkey down in the oven. I wish it was in the oven. Down in the freezer, and I need to get that guy out and cook so we can use him in all kinds of ways. And I'm looking forward to making a great big stock out of that, too. These are also for Lou, low carb, and they're also for, I did a low-carb snacky video. I'll list that below. That was a great video with a lot of great tips. And I've since then heard a lot more from you guys. You've tried it and you've used all different kinds of ideas. They're snacks, low carb snacks, and what you can do with these low carb tortillas. And honestly, I haven't seen them in Aldi in a while, and they are smaller. They're not the big size. So, okay, I did get some ginger. There is a tonic, I guess you could call it, that I like to make during the winter. It is honey, ginger, combination of honey, ginger, and lemon, and I think a little bit of red pepper flakes. Yeah, oh my goodness, does that work for a sore throat or congestion? So I'll show it to you. I promise you I'll do a video on this because it's wonderful. It's really, really good. And some bacon. I did buy 2 pounds of bacon today. I think this was $3.79. Not too bad. And it's not the cheapest one. The cheapest one they have there, their bargain bacon, is like $3.49. This was $3.89, I think. Yeah. And it's a little bit better. What do they call it? Oh, premium. There it is. The premium sliced bacon. It hasn't hit $4 yet, so, you know. That's all I can say about that. Okay, we've got some orange juice back there. We don't normally get orange juice, but lately Lou has been asking for it. So, gotta get it. Some of these whipped creams. I love these to top off my Frappuccinos when I make one. And I know my grandkids are gonna love, I won't make them a mocha Frappuccino. I'll just make them a chocolate Frappuccino. It almost tastes like a little milkshake. They'll love that. Just as a special treat. And some soy sauce, some low sodium soy sauce. And some strawberry jelly, because I know my oldest grandson loves jelly toast. So I want to make sure I had a little of that in the house. I'm looking for some raspberry jam. I'm going to have to go to another grocery store because Aldi just doesn't have it. Because I make these cookies called bullseye cookies. They were my great-grandmother's recipe. And I've made them and had them probably for every Christmas since I have a memory. So they have to, and now my kids want them too. So I got to make them. But raspberry jam can be pricey too. So anyway, this is the 3-pack of the organic ground beef that I always buy. I do have some still down in the freezer, but it was on sale. Wait for it to go on sale. It is organic, grass-fed. This is about $4.99 a pound in this combination here. Otherwise, you'll pay $6 something. Yeah, so it is worth it. Every time they have that deal, it is worth it if that's an interest for you. I did get some of these little tiny mini pancakes. They're so cute. And I know my grandsons will enjoy that in the morning with a little bit of syrup there. And I do have some organic syrup around here too if they'd rather have that. But I just threw it in there. It wasn't too, I have $1.29 I think for that. Let's see, I got some diced tomatoes. These, what are they called? Rotel type, things. These are delicious. Oh, you can put these in everything. And I do chicken dishes, beef dishes, all kinds of things, soups and stews. Very, very good. And then I got some artichokes for my artichoke dip. I just didn't want to forget about not buying it, so I just went ahead and picked it up today. And then the only really, really good deal, I guess I would say I got today is this chicken. Now, normally I don't buy chicken legs. I'm not crazy about them. But, when the price is 99 cents, you might want to think again. And I love making chicken stock out of these guys. They make a beautiful, beautiful, very gelatinous chicken stock. So I got 2 packages of those. Let's see, this is $6.15 and $6.56. So, and that's a huge package. Yeah, really nice. And I think you could fry them if you wanted to, in a shallow fry pan and then finish them up in the oven. I'm sure that's probably what I'll do with some of them. And those are for Lou, those little chips. He likes those for lunch. Some sugar. I know we'll be doing some sugar cookies and sugary things. My grandmother's pound cake, apricot brandy pound cake. I'll be making that. Got to have some sugar for that. And what is this? Oh yeah, this is a sweetened condensed milk. I picked up 2 of those. I use those in my Frappuccinos when I make them. And, I have some bars and stuff that need that as well. And back here we have these little vanilla wafers. My grandson loves those. I always like to have them in the house. And they're not too bad. They're just like a nice, quick little snacky thing. And I asked Munchie on the phone the other day, what do you want to bake with Oma when you come? And he said, gingerbread cookies. So I'm not going to make my own gingerbread dough. We're just going to go with this, and he'll be thrilled. And I didn't have any Christmas sprinkles. Can you imagine a grandma not having Christmas sprinkles? Oh, I shamed myself. So I now have Christmas sprinkles. Yes, and here's my Hershey Kisses. Oh, are these expensive? Oh, gosh. Oh, my goodness. Sometimes Aldi, if it's not an Aldi brand, you got to be careful because that's where I think they make their money, is the the good stuff, not always the Aldi brand. They really jack that up. And I don't know if there's even an off-brand Hershey Kiss or Kiss type chocolate. It probably is, but it's probably terrible. So, and you need those for those peanut butter Hershey Kiss cookies. I know my family likes those. These little Christmas tree treats, those are going in my grandson's stockings. These cute little, what are these? Melting snowmen. You put them in hot milk, in a cup of hot milk, and they're supposed to melt. So those will go in their stocking. Oh, I forgot back here some chocolate syrup, also for the Frappuccinos. And I guess those could go, you know what? They could go on the top of a pancake with a little whipped cream and some Christmas sprinkles, because why not? It's Grandma's house, right? All right, and I got some socks for Leo and socks for Munchie, and those will go in their stockings. And then I did get some candy canes, and I'm going to put a little Christmas tree up in Munchie's room here, and I'm going to let him hang some candy canes off it, and he will just love that. And then I am so out of breath. I haven't stopped since early morning, and I just got in through all this stuff in the house, and well, that's my story. I'm sticking to it. All right, look at this beautiful baker. These were on sale today at Aldi for $12.99. They were $24.99. So yeah, I think it's just beautiful. I do love this color. I love bakers, and I thought that my panettone French bread bake would look just beautiful in that, so I had to have that. I got some, just getting prepared here, you know, with some tissue paper. I got this really pretty ribbon. I just love this ribbon. It kind of looks like a candy cane. So I will most likely put this around the Christmas tree somehow, and around my house, little bows here and there on wreaths. I like to do that. And this, I'm not sure who I'm going to give this to yet, but it's a Burt's Bees. There's a little lip gloss in there, or actually it's not a lip gloss, it's a lip balm, and a little tin lip balm. And I like his stuff. I like the quality of Burt's Bees. And some Christmas cards to send out. And you know what? That's it. That is it. You know what the price was? All right, the price for everything that you saw, and there also are 2 cases of bottled water that I have sitting out in the garage. But nothing else. Everything you saw, every single thing, it was well over $200. Okay, what was it? $215, something like that. I think my eyes almost bugged out of my head. I was really surprised, and I'm just so unhappy that this is happening. I know you guys are too. You're tired of it. We're all just weary. We're weary of it. But let's just hang tight together. We'll get through this, and things will get better. Things will get better. Let's enjoy each other. Let's enjoy our family. Let's enjoy the foods that we are able to prepare. If you have to think more creatively, hey, get yourself some sprinkles and some whipped cream. You can make anything special for Christmas. I'm Darlene, this is Super at 60. Thanks for joining me today. I'll see you guys soon. Bye now, and Lord bless.